So using our paddle attachment, we're going to start by mixing 2 sticks of butter and 3/4 cups of sugar. Once it's a nice and creamy consistency, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 egg. Give it a mix. So we have sifted together 3 cups of flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and we're going to add it in portions so that it doesn't get everywhere. And we've divided our dough into 3, medium, large, and small. And using food coloring, we're going to start with our white. We're using gloves just so that we don't stain our fingers. And now we're going to make our orange. And yellow. So we rolled out our dough. The yellow is our base, so you want to make sure that it's the widest. The orange is our middle layer. And our cookies baked for 7 minutes each side.